वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to season 2 of Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. In the last episode, we discussed about Maluka, a man from Khadur known for his troubling ways, drinking excessively and making fun of Guru Angad Dev Ji and his devotees. However, his bad habits led him down a dark path, and as we learned, Maluka eventually developed epilepsy. No medicine or healer could help him, and he was left in despair. Ultimately, he had to seek Guru Angad Dev Ji's help, who guided him to give up on alcohol, and if he ever returns to that habit, epilepsy will return. But my friends, isn't it true that when life starts going well, we sometimes forget the hard lessons we have learned? Isn't it in our human nature to slip back into old ways when the storms have passed and the sun is shining again? That's exactly what happened to Maluka. So keep listening to know what happens exactly. Now, Maluka's life had returned to normal. His health was restored and he no longer suffered from epilepsy. He was even inspired by Guru Angad Dev Ji's teachings and began to live a life of service. For a time, it actually seemed as though he had truly transformed. But as time went on, Maluka became complacent. He started forgetting his misery and suffering, along with his promise to Guru Angad Dev Ji. Then, one day, as mentioned in Suraj Prakash, ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਘਟਾ ਕੁਮੜਾਈ ਪਈ ਠੰਡ ਬੂੰਦੈ ਬਰਖਾਈ ਚੱਲੇ ਬਾਉ ਸੁਖ ਦੇਵਨ ਹਾਰੀ ਮਧੁਰ ਮਧੁਰ ਗਰਜਤ ਕਟਕਾਰੀ. Meaning, one beautiful day when the rain had just passed and the air was fresh, Maluka found himself in a cheerful mood. He climbed to the rooftop of his home, admiring the clear skies and the lush greens all around him. The beauty of the rain, the cold winds filled his heart with joy, and old temptations began to resurface. Despite the promise that he had made to Guru Angad Ji, Maluka gave in to his cravings. He poured himself a drink, then another and another. Before long, he was completely intoxicated. Now, my dear friends, as warned by Guru Angad Dev Ji, Maluka's body began trembling and he fell into a fit of epilepsy. In that state, he lost his balance and tragically fell from the rooftop and died immediately. My friends, the story of Maluka is a warning about the dangers of falling into bad habits. It's for all of us. Think about it. How often do we, like Maluka, make promises to ourselves during difficult times only to forget when things get easier for us? How often do we return to habits that we know are harmful simply because we have forgotten the pain they once caused us. Moreover, Gurbani forbids us from consumption of alcohol or any kind of intoxicating substance, as mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji on Ang 554. जित पीते मत दूर होए बरल पवै विच आए अपना पराया ना पछाणे खसमै धक्के खाए जित पीते खसम विसरै दरगै मिले सजाए झूठा मद मूल ना पीचे जे का पार वसाए meaning drinking alcohol causes a person to lose their clarity of thought. It clouds the mind, replacing wisdom with confusion and madness. When one drinks, they forget their Almighty and their purpose. And this forgetfulness leads to spiritual and personal downfall. Therefore, if you have the strength, do not indulge in false intoxication at all, for it only leads to suffering and regret. My dear friends, as we step into this new year, let's make a promise. Not a grand resolution, but a simple commitment to small, meaningful changes in our daily habits. I know it's easier said than done. We all slip. Trust me, I do too. But that's okay. Let's take it slow, steady, and consistent, knowing that every little step counts. By staying disciplined and holding on to the lessons Gurbani teaches us, we can avoid falling back into old traps and keep moving forward towards a better version of ourselves. Tune in next Tuesday for more lessons through Gurbani. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep walking the path of Vaheguru. I hope this brings some light into your lives. Thank you.